With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, what are the different ways of increasing the number of molecules collision per unit time against the wall of the vessel containing a gas? So let's start the solution. In the question they are saying that we have a container which is filled of the gas. Suppose we have a container, suppose this is a container that is filled of gas molecules and we have to increase the collision of molecules. Now there is a formula for number of collisions per unit time, and that formula is given as number of collision per unit time. There is a formula for this, and the formula is written as NVRMS. It's VRMS, yes. So here N is the number of mole per unit volume and VRMS is the root mean square velocity of molecules. Here N is basically the number of moles per unit volume, that means number of moles upon volume, and VRMS is the RMS speed, root mean square velocity. So from this formula I can say that my number of collision is inversely proportional to the number of collision is directly proportional to the N is the number of mole per volume, so I can also write this is directly proportional to N, or I can say suppose N is the number of mole upon V. Okay, and the second thing I can say from this formula that my number of collision is also proportional to the VRMS speed, which is the root mean square velocity of molecules. Now if we want to increase the number of collision, that means we have to increase the number of moles. If we increase the number of moles, N is number of moles, if I have increased number of moles, at that time number of collision is also increased, and as you can see that number of collision is inversely proportional to the V is the volume. Number of collision is inversely proportional to the volume. That means if we want to increase the number of collision, we should decrease the volume. Okay, when we decrease the volume, at that time number of collision is increase. And first thing is, when we increase the number of moles, number of collision increase. Second thing, when we decrease the volume, number of collision increase. And the third thing is, when we increase the root mean square velocity of molecules, at that time number of collision is also increased. Now there is a formula for VRMS speed of molecules, and that formula is written as VRMS speed is written as root 3RT by M. Now here 3R and M is constant, so from this formula I can say that my VRMS speed is directly proportional to the temperature. That means if I increase the temperature, at that time VRMS speed will increase, and when the VRMS speed will increase, so I can say that my number of collisions is also increase. So the conclusion is that if I want to increase the number of collisions of molecules, then I have to increase the number of moles, I have to decrease the volume, I have to increase the VRMS speed, and to increase VRMS speed I have to increase the temperature. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.